Amazon Canada's documentation requirements are stricter than the US. And if you don't have a business extract, you don't have what you need to get verified. And it's really for the US companies, a made up document that you just put it all together. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you currently have limited access to Amazon selling services. You can see this is in Canada. And we've resolved this multiple times for multiple clients. And they're going to ask you for this, right? It's going to say pretty much like a business extract, business registration extract. And it is a pain. Now, Amazon did an announcement on this. They're like, yo, this is super important. Nobody knows what the heck to do. We don't even know what to do. But here's our little checklist we're going to give you. Make sure you have and then here's a self document requirement. And then you have your whole ownership structure, right? It looks super fancy and super fun, right? And then what we did is then we were able to actually get that extract. And let's see if it's there. And there it is. So I did have to, of course, redact it. But this is what we submitted. So obviously you submit your passport, you submit all your basic stuff, right? Your address, your passport, things like that, your business, your EIN. Then they're going to ask for the extract. This one works every single time. Every single time. So far, it's been working. So what you're going to do, this top left corner, you're putting your logo. You can just make one on Canva, whatever you want to do. Top right corner, business name, address, email. Easy. Ownership structure for your LLC name. Then you're going to put your name. And then you're going to put your date of birth. And then you're going to put the limited liability company name. And then you're going to put company registration number, which is your EIN number. Your EIN number. Gotcha? Gotcha. I messed up the color blue, but it still got approved. All right, you can see this blue. It's a little bit different than this blue. And I noticed after, and this orange is like a little different. Whatever. I tried. Still worked, right? I confirmed the above information to be correct as of November. Bada bing. Got it. And yep. You put the owner, name, signature, fancy, good. Get the articles of incorporation, download that from your company's website, your state's website. So if you live in Florida, it's going to be SunBiz. And then you can just type it in for the other countries and the states. I have to redact a lot. Went above and beyond and then just got a letter of like a certificate that shows that you are in good standing. Every single state also offers this. Usually it's like $5 and just shows that you are in business still, you're in good standing. And this adds a lot of weight to the extract. IRS, this is your EIN number. Put that document right in here. If you don't have it, call the IRS, they'll give it to you. And that was it, right? So it's pretty easy to get. All right, but this is the hardest part, is making this little fancy document. It's not actually that fancy, but once you start making it, you're like, oh, this is a bit of a pain. So utilize Canva, I would say, to create it. If you need double check, you need extra help, you can always hire us. But I believe in you in doing this. We're here for you if you need it. There's a link right in the description to contact us or schedule a call with our Amazon consultants and experts. Josh Hackett, signing out.